This week's boiler tip, we're going to talk a little bit more about water softeners. We've got daily tasks with the water softener, checking it, making sure that we're getting soft water, and of course adding salt. But there are a few things that we need to do at certain intervals to make sure that everything stays in good working order. Sometimes the salt that we buy has impurities, bits of rock, silt, etc. So it's not a bad idea to drain down your salt tank or use up all the salt occasionally just to clean it out. And I'll typically do that when I've got the boiler down, and I can dissolve the salt that's in there just by not adding salt as we approach the shutdown, or running a hose in there and just dissolving the salt that's remaining so that I can clean it out.